Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome everyone to my MS Excel class. So, guys, I hope you are going through all my previous videos on MS Excel and you are learning something at the end of the day. So, probably I believe doesn't matter which background you belongs to when it comes to corporate sector. The most common platform what we use for the data analysis or data visualization is MS Excel. So one of the case what I'm going to discuss in today class, probably it happens with all of us when we are heavily dependent on short and filter command, about whom I discussed in the previous class, that when we try to filter data, when we try to segregate the data, or we try to arrange the data in some particular order, so automatically our serial number get impacted, because of which, like, if suppose if I put a filter all DFF, and then if I want to arrange the data on the basis of team leader A to Z wise, so you can see automatically serial number got changed. You can see it unjumbled. Again, I need to write 1, 2, 3, and then if I then click here, I cannot click on ascending order or smallest to largest and all, because then my objective will not sustain. So what I was talking about here, that probably there's a company where some people are working and they are working under different team leaders. Okay, so these are the name of people who are working: Raghuram Kishore, Piyu Divedi, Dhanush Gangwani, Rajesh Gupta, Jaish Khan, Amulya Hegde, Shashi Kumar, Amit Singh. These are the few employees which are working in a company, and they're working under these team leaders. You can see the name of the team leader. Okay, so those are Amitabh, Ritik, Salman, and Shahrukh, and they're working under department like system, human resource, marketing, operations, finance. Okay, so I hope you're understanding. So what I can do, I can simply, if I say no, I just want the data of maybe human resource and marketing department. I click OK. So I get the data of marketing and human resource department. But if I have to copy and paste this data to my client, if you see the serial numbers, what is coming is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you see the, are you getting it? Imagine if I say, okay, fine, leave it. Okay, so you do one thing, team leader wise. Uh, what I want Ritik and Shahrukh. All the people who are working under Ritik and Shahrukh, their data. So you can see, right? You can see how the data is getting jumbled. Okay, so that is the problem. It happens with us when we are using short and filter command. So if I say short it A to Z, so you can see your serial number got impacted because of all this. So the solution for this problem, if you want to automatically make sure your serial number automatically get updated whenever you apply filter, so automatically then the serial number what will get visible, that should be in proper ascending order. Okay, so what you can do for that, if you want in that scenario, write equal to subtotal, okay, bracket open, and then you will get lot of options like average, count A, max, minima, product, standard deviation and all. Here you need to select count A. So select count A, or you write manually 3 comma, click on the first cell, click on the cell, okay, then again click on the same cell. Now once this is done, then fix this cell. I hope you know how to fix the cell. By pressing F4 key, you can fix the cell. Okay, the first part of the cell, B2 to B2, close bracket, enter. Once you're done, so once you're done with this calculation, copy that and just simply replicate the same calculation on other cell. So once this is done, now if you see, if I try to sort this data Z to A, can you see the impact on the serial number? Then if I say I want data of human resource and operation, press OK. See the impact. So can you see the serial number automatically changing themselves irrespective of what mode of filter you are using? So that is what we are looking for in this session. So I hope you understood what I have done in this session. So with that faith in my mind, I'm ending the class. Feel free to give your valuable feedback in the comment option. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. Bye.